Hey guys, all right, as a busy mom of two boys, I don't always have time to slave over my hair, so I'm gonna show you how you can put your hair in a mum bun in under 1 minute. All right, so here's what you're gonna need. A hair elastic that matches your hair, a few bobby pins to secure those flyaways, and some hairspray to hold it all together. Okay, so just take your hair elastic, put it right around your wrist, and then you're gonna gather your hair up near the top of your head. Not too high up, you don't wanna look like Marge Simpson here, but just like I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail. So once it's all there, I'm going to keep securing that base near the top of my head, and I'm gonna take the rest of my hair and I'm gonna wrap it around that base. I'm gonna twist it and wrap it. There we go. Keep on doing that until you've got the end, tuck that end in. So I've got this held up here. I'm gonna take that elastic, wrap it as many times as you can around your bun to secure it. This is so easy. And now I'm just gonna lightly pull out some of that hair just to get a more loose and natural look. There we go, perfect. I don't think I need any bobby pins, but once we're there, we just wanna spray it with some hairspray to hold the look. And that is it. So there you have it, a mum bun in under 1 minute, and you just got 20 minutes back into your day to enjoy that cup of coffee. Thank you so much for watching. For more inspiration around beauty and style, please head over to freshnutrition.com.